Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we got the Honor 400 series smartphones with us. In this video we are going to perform an unboxing of Honor 400 Pro. I will make a separate video for Honor 400. So in this video we will talk about its design, features, build quality, hardware specs, display and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the Honor 400 Pro 5G branding. It comes with this nice golden effect as you can see here. The whole design of the retail box is quite minimalistic. As you can see, it's pretty slim. We got the Europe variant of Honor 400 Pro, and considering the slimness of the retail box, as you can guess, it does not come with a charger in it, but in other regions, for example in the Middle East, you will get a charger in the retail box of Honor 400 Pro. Here you can see that it comes with 12GB RAM, 512GB storage. The color variant we got is gray. It is a dual SIM smartphone, not for sale because this is a special review unit. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our Honor 400 Pro in gray color. Here we got a SIM card tray ejector pin, and here is a USB Type-C cable provided. As you can see, it does not come with the case, charger or user manual quick start guide because this is the European variant. In other regions you will get the case as well as the charger in the retail box of Honor 400 Pro, and since this is a special review unit, there are no user manuals, warranty card, etc. provided, so in any other region you will get them in the retail box for sure. So here is our Honor 400 Pro in gray color. As you can see, it comes with this nice greenish tint. It's not totally gray or ash in color, so it's looking quite beautiful, premium. Let's switch on the device, and after that we will go through the setup process. Then we will have a detailed look on our Honor 400 Pro. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our Honor 400 Pro smartphone. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. Here on the front side, as you can see, we got a huge 6.7-inch display with minimal bezels, especially on the sides. The sides are slightly curved as well, that is contributing in the edge-to-edge display experience. The bottom bezel is also very thin, and the same goes with the top bezel. At the top center of the display you will find this punch hole where you will find the front facing camera along with the Face ID sensor. Right above it there is a tiny slit for the earpiece, and at the top we got the speaker grill that is connected with the earpiece, so the earpiece works as the secondary speaker. We got the IR blaster, secondary microphone. At the bottom we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone and this SIM card tray slot. On the left side there is nothing provided, and on the right side we got the power button along with volume key. It comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and the device comes with the latest IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistant. The device comes with SGS 5-star rating for its durability, and we got a screen protector pre-applied on the display of Honor 400 Pro. On the back of the device we got the Honor branding at the bottom, some of the regulatory information, and on the top left of the back panel we got the camera island. The camera island design is quite beautiful and looking very premium because of these nice smooth curved edges. We got the 200MP AI camera branding here. There is slight camera module bump, so you might feel slight wobbling if you place the device on a flat surface, but if you use a case with your Honor 400 Pro then of course you won't face this wobbling issue because of this minor camera module bump we got here. The back panel is quite minimalistic, and once again as you can see, the gray color is not totally gray or ash. It comes with this slight greenish effect, greenish tint that looks quite beautiful and premium. And just like the front panel, the back is also slightly curved on all four sides. and because of that it provides very nice grip while holding the device in hand. The matte finish back panel feels quite good, and it's not going to attract any smudges or fingerprint that will once again contribute in the beauty of this device we got here. It is 8.1 mm thick and it weighs just 205 grams. Because of the huge screen to body ratio, you will be able to use the device with one hand without facing any issue, as you can see here. So in terms of design and build quality, the Honor 400 Pro is a very premium smartphone in every aspect, as it comes with huge screen to body ratio, next to none bezels, IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, SGS 5-star durability, and a very beautiful and premium looking back panel. Now talking about the display, we got a 6.7-inch OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, 2800 x 1280 pixels resolution that will provide 460 ppi. It comes with 1 billion color reproduction as well as 100% of DCI-P3 color gamut support. Because of all of these, the display of Honor 400 Pro is very beautiful in every aspect. It is so sharp with 460 ppi, so you won't see any pixelation. The colors are vibrant, punchy, and the viewing angles are quite great as well. It comes with 120Hz refresh rate, and because of that the display of Honor 400 Pro is very smooth, as you can see here. The maximum peak brightness can go as high as 5000 nits, and it comes with various features like color mode and temperature that allows you to change the color saturation and temperature. You can select the ebook mode that converts the display into black and white. We got the video enhancer with super dynamic display and vivid display that enhances the videos being played on the device, and it got a dedicated Honor Eye Comfort display section where you will find plenty of useful features related to the display and eye comfort. For example, it comes with the circadian night display, we got the defocus eye care, natural tone, eye comfort, dynamic dimming, we got 3840 Hz ultra high frequency PWM dimming as well, and then we got the motion sickness relief that reduced motion sickness caused in a moving vehicle while using the smartphone. So as you can see, we got plenty of useful features in the display of Honor 400 Pro. So it is not just the display quality of the device, it also comes with many additional features on top of it. Now talking about the hardware, the Honor 400 Pro comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. We got 12GB RAM. It also comes with Honor RAM Turbo technology that allows you to increase the RAM virtually to have a better user experience and multitasking capability. It comes with 512GB storage, out of which 480GB is free for the user once you start using the device. So nearly 32GB is preoccupied by the pre-installed ROM, applications, etc. It comes with 5300 mAh silicon carbon battery with 100 watt fast charging and 50 watt fast wireless charging. So this is quite impressive that Honor is providing a fast wireless charging feature in an upper mid-range smartphone that you will usually find only on flagship devices. Talking about the software, it comes with Android 15 with macOS 9.0, and as we have seen previously, the macOS is quite feature rich, comes with plenty of options and settings that you can use to have a better user experience, lots of customization options. But this time what we got here is plenty of new AI features. So there is a dedicated section for Honor AI where you will find all of the AI based features like the Magic Text, Magic Portal, AI subtitles, AI translate, call translation, AI writing, AI deepfake detection. We got the smart sensing and air gestures as well. So as you can see, we got plenty of AI stuff going on here in the macOS this time. We will talk about all of these features in our future videos. So if you are interested in knowing about them, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And there are lots of AI based features for taking pictures and image editing, video editing as well. For example, it comes with image to video creation. With the help of AI, you can create moving photo collage to make images more cinematic. Then we got the AI eraser that removes unwanted objects from the pictures, and it also improves the images by removing the glares, etc. We got the AI cutout that allows you to cut, copy, paste an image to another image. And then we got the eyes open that with the help of AI, if someone is in the picture with eye closed, then it will make those eyes open. So these are some of the AI based features we got in the image editing. We got in the gallery and image editing section of our Honor 400 Pro. So talking about the camera, here on the front side we got a 50 megapixel camera. On the back we got a 200 megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization. We got a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and optical image stabilization, and we got a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens that can be used for macro photography as well. So if you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see it comes with HDR. We got the photo mode where motion sensing capture is available, that with the support of AI once again provides high speed shutter to capture the images of fast moving objects, a smiling person, cats, dogs, etc. We got the zoom level from 2x to 6x in the UI. We got the 0.6x wide angle. Here we got the option for the moving photo, watermark, ratio, timer, grid line, leveling. If you go to portrait, you get the option to select the AI enhanced portrait as well. So once again, AI is everywhere on Honor 400 Pro, not just in the software section. It is also for the image editing, video editing, as well as for taking pictures. You can turn on or off the AI effect. We got the hardcore portrait styles here, as you can see. So this is quite nice. It was introduced earlier in Honor 200 series, and we got the hardcore mode for the portrait imaging in Honor 400 Pro as well. We got the artistic mode where you will find these three options. Then we got the film simulation. So plenty of options we got here. Then we got a dedicated night mode that is available for telephoto as well as for the wide angle lens. In the video mode, you can see that we can record 4K resolution videos up to 60 FPS. 720 video resolution is available for 60 FPS as well. The beautification is provided as well, but if you use the beautification, then the maximum possible frame rate is 30 only, and it works only on full HD resolution. Then we got the dedicated Pro mode where you can do various customization in the imaging parameters. We got the aperture mode. Once again, it creates bokeh effect for pictures. We got the multi-video that combines the recording from front and back camera at the very same time. Then we got the slow-mo, panorama, time-lapse, stickers, super macro. As I said, the wide angle lens can be used for macro photography, and that's why there is a dedicated super macro mode. We got the high res mode, using which you can capture images on 200 MP resolution. And then we got the night video, story, stage, scan documents. So as you can see, we got great amount of options and features when it comes to imaging and videography on Honor 400 Pro. I will make a separate video in which I will talk about all of these in detail with some camera samples, outputs as well for each of these imaging modes. Right now, just wanted to give you a quick idea about the hardware and software based options and settings we got here in the camera of Honor 400 Pro, and as you can see, it's looking pretty solid. So overall, the Honor 400 Pro is a great upper mid-range smartphone in every aspect. The design and build quality is solid, premium, beautiful. The display is just gorgeous. It comes with fast 100-watt charging with 50 watts wireless charging and great amount of AI based features for software, multitasking, daily usage, as well as it is very well integrated for imaging as well. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of Honor 400 Pro, like the gaming review, camera review, battery performance test, comparison with other smartphones, etc. will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.